everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or to make calendar in Google Sheets. So as you can see here, I've already opened the docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and then if you want to make some calendar, you can use the template from Google Sheets. I'm going to show you. You can just go to the template gallery and then scroll down and you'll find the calendars template that you can use. There is annual calendar 2021, calendar 2022, and also 2019. So I'm going to use the annual calendar. Just wait for the template to open. Okay, as you can see here, the calendar has been format like this, and if you want to change its date, you can also custom the color, or you can also add some notes and also add some holiday in your calendar. So to customize it, you can also go to the customize your calendar sheets, and you can also choose the year like this. So I'm going to change it probably into this. So to change to customize your calendar, just go to there are 16 different themes that you can change your calendar into. Just go to the format and then go to theme, this one, and you can change it as you like. Okay, when you're done, it will automatically save into your Google Drive in your Google Sheets file. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can make calendar in Google Sheets. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video.